Hello dear students, good evening. Welcome to Maths IPE classes by NEET World. So we are doing the chapter of integration. Already 2 classes are done. In the first class we started with the methods of integration pertaining to trigonometric functions. Okay, based on that we solved very important questions. Okay, and in the second class also we continued with trigonometric questions and we started with algebraic types. When it comes to algebraic types, already we have done 1 or 2 questions. So let us continue with the algebraic types. Okay, today we will be concluding with the algebraic type of questions, and in the tomorrow's class we will be doing the reduction formula based questions. So completely LAQs, there will be 2 LAQs from integration. Majorly you have to focus on trigonometric functions, but and also on reduction formula, but we are doing even algebraic functions. Okay, so comprehensively we will be covering what? Integration chapter pertaining to LAQs. So in the upcoming classes what we will be doing, even SAQs and also VSAQs pertaining to integration we will be doing. But when it comes to integration chapter, like you know, we are having VSAQs and LAQs, there is no SAQs. So total the unit contains how many marks? 18 marks. Okay, so let us start with the discussion. These are reduction formula questions. Okay. I hope I am audible. Look at this question, friends. Okay. Let me increase the brightness. So this is the question we have to solve now. So see here, friends, we have to solve this question. This is the question that we have to solve, that is evaluate. Okay, what is that? Evaluate. Okay, x plus 1, integral of x plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. So this is of trigonometric form or which form? Algebraic form. Definitely this is algebraic form. So let us solve this question. So see here, the given question is, what is that? What is the given question? Let us do the partition of the screen. So the given question is what, friends? They have given that, observe carefully. What is the question that they have given? Integral of x plus 1 divided by, what is it? Integral of x plus 1 by, what is the question? By x square plus 3x plus 12. By x square plus 3x plus 12. By x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. This is the integral. Okay, this is the question. Okay, let us solve this solution. Okay, first what you have to do? Given integral is, you have to write down. Given integral is. This is a very important step. Each and every step you have to write it. So given integral is what? Integral of x plus 1 divided by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. Write it like this. Write this as equation 1. Okay, you are done. Okay, you have to do it like this. Next, what we have to do? These of which form? These of the form px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c. So px plus q, you will write it equal to what? A times d by dx of, what is that? Denominator plus b. Correct? No? So this I can write it as what? X plus 1 will be equal to a times d by dx of, what is it? This denominator, x square plus 3x plus 12 plus b. Here it will not be multiplied by the denominator. You have to keep it as it is, like this. Now let us continue here. X plus 1, a times d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 12. This will become what, friend? This will become 2x plus 3. Okay, a into 2x plus 3 plus b. Okay, so this what we can do? X plus 1, this implies x plus 1 will be equal to 2ax plus 3a plus b. Now what we can do, friends? We can compare the coefficients. On comparing the coefficients. Okay, on comparing the coefficients. On comparing the coefficients. On comparing the coefficients, what we will get? We get that, okay, here another color, see here, observe carefully. On comparing the coefficients, we get, okay, we get, what do we get? See here, coefficient of x is what here? 2a. Coefficient of x is what here? 1. So this will become what? 2a will be equal to 1. That means what? A will be equal to 1 by 2. Correct? Therefore a will be equal to what? 1 by 2. We got the value of a. Here we have to get the value of b also. So here these are what? These are constants. 3a plus b. Here constant value is what? 1. So 3a plus b will be equal to what? 3a plus b will be equal to what? 1. That means what? We have to put the value of a is equal to 1 by 2 here. Okay. So this will become what? This will become 3 into 1 by 2 plus b. Okay. 3 into 1 by 2 plus b. This will become equal to 1. So 3 by 2 will be equal to 3 by 2 plus b will be equal to 1. So b will become equal to, b will become 1 minus 3 by 2. Or here I can write directly. So see here I can write directly. So 3 by 2. This will be 3 by 2. Okay. Because 3 into 1 by 2. Because a is what? We got 1 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2. So LCM is what? 2. 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. So this I can write it as here. This implies 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So this implies b is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. B is equal to what? 2 minus 3 by 2. Write down neatly. So b is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. That implies what? B will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. B will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Now what we will do? Put values of a and b in minus 1 by 2. So on putting values of a and b in equation 1, we get, what do we get? We get, what is that? Integral. What is that equation 1? This is the equation 1. So we have to write what? Integral of x plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12, okay, into 12 dx will be equal to what? A times, that is a is what? 1 by 2. So this is what? 1 by 2 into d by dx of, what is that? Denominator, x square plus 3x plus 12, correct? So this divided by, what is that? This thing. So separate and divide. This will become what? X square plus 3x plus 12 plus, what is this? This is b is what? Minus half, correct na? So this I can write it as minus half. So this will be, see here, this will be minus 1 by 2. Okay, b will be what? Minus 1 by 2. So divide by this one. If I separate and divide it, I will have what? Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by, this is what? X square plus, what is this? 3x plus 12. Okay, this is integral, correct? No, this I can write it as what? Dx. This I can write it as what? Dx. This is 1 by 2 integral of this one. So here I can write dx. Okay, here also I can write integral. Okay, this is integral of x square plus 3x plus 12 by x square plus 3x plus 12. This is minus integral of 1 by 2 by 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. This is what we have. Now observe here carefully. Now 1 by 2 dx by d by dx of x square plus 3x by 12 divided by x square plus 3x plus 12. Okay, this will be equal to what? This is nothing but equal to integral of f dash of x by f of x. Integral of f dash of x by f of x is nothing but equal to what, friends? We have learned that it is nothing but equal to log f of x plus c. So here I can apply that. So therefore, so let us go to the next page. So this is what we have here. So let us go to the next page. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to, let us do the partition again. So what do we have here? So therefore, see here, this should be equal to, this should be equal to, this should be equal to, so here this should be equal to 1 by 2 log of mod x square plus 3x plus 12. Okay, what do you have remaining? Minus 1 by 2 integral of, what is this? 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. This is what we are, this is still we have to do. Okay, this is what we have to do still. Okay, now log of x square plus 3x plus 12. What is the reason? We have to please write the reason. This is very important. So that is what, therefore integral of f dash of x by f of x dx. Okay, integral of what? F dash of x by f of x dx is what, friends? It is nothing but equal to log of mod f of x plus c. So this is the reason we have to write. So because of this we got this. Okay, that is what we have here. Okay, integral of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log of mod f of x plus c. This is the reason. Definitely you have to write the reason, then only you will get marks. Now see here, this we have to integrate x square plus 3x plus 12. Now let us take the denominator. Now what do we have? Now x square, let this be what? Let this be equation 2. Okay, now x square plus 3x plus 12. Okay, now the coefficient of x square is 1 itself, so no need to do anything. Now we will do the completing the square method. So coefficient of x is what? 3. So we have to do what? We have to add coefficient of x, we have to multiply by half. Okay, that is it will become 3 by 2. 3 by 2 we have to square and add and subtract. So this will become what? I can write this as x square plus 3x plus what I can write? 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 12. Okay, plus 12. So this will become what, friends? X square plus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Correct? No, 3 by 2 whole square. Here what I can do? Here I can do what? 3 by 2 whole square means this I can write it as, here I can multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So this will become equal to what? X square plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 2ab, that is 2ab. So that means it will become what? 2ab. So this will become what? X plus 3 by 2 whole square, x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus this is what? This is what? 3 by 2 whole square. This will become what? 9 by 4 plus 12. 9 by 4 plus 12. So this I can write it as what? X plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4. This will become what? LCM if I take, this will become minus 9. This will become, see, minus 9. This will become, observe here carefully, plus here. This will become minus 9. Okay, minus 9 plus 48 by 4. By 4 this will become. So x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 plus 48 is what? Plus 39. Plus 39 by 4. This I can finally write it as x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus this is what? In terms of square root I can write it as square root of 39 by 2. Okay, square root of 39 by 2 whole square. Okay, now this will be the equation 3. Now put 3 in 2, let me do it. Okay, put, this is what? Now let us put 2 in 3. Okay, now put 3 in 2, not 3 in 2, that is here, not 2 in 3, you have to put 3 in equation 2. Okay, put equation 3 in equation 2. What we will get? So this will be equal to 1 by 2 times log of 1 by 2 times log of x square plus 3x plus 12, okay, minus 1 by 2 integral of, what is this? Integral of 1 by x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus root 39 by 2 whole square. This is what we will have, root 39 by 2 whole square. This is what we will have. Okay, so this will be dx. This should be dx, correct? No, so this should be dx. Now observe carefully, this is of which form? This is of which form, friends? So this is of the form, okay, this is of the form. Therefore, see, this entire thing, this is of the form, you have to write this is of the form, this is of the form. What is the form? It is integral of 1 by x square plus a square dx, correct na? So this will become equal to what? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is of this form. So here a is what? Here a is root 39 by 2. What about x? X is nothing but x plus 3 by 2. So this eventually this will become what? 1 by 2 into log of x square plus 3x plus 12 within modulus. Okay, this is modulus minus 1 by 2 into 1 by a. 1 by a means this is root 39 by 2, correct na? Root 39 by 2. So 2 will go up. So into 2 by root 39. 1 by a means root 39 by 2. 2 will go up. I am writing it directly. Into tan inverse of, what is it? Tan inverse of x by a. X by a is what? X plus 3 by 2. Okay, this will be x plus 3 by 2 divided by, what is it? Root 39 by 2. Root 39 by 2 plus c. This further I can simplify. Here 2 if I take LCM, what I will have? I will have, see here, 1 by 2 into log of mod x square plus 3x plus 12. This here 2 cancel. So I can write it as what? Minus 1 by root 39 into, so this is minus 1 by root 39, correct na? Minus 1 by root 39 into tan inverse of, this will be LCM if I take 2x plus 3 divided by root 39. Why? Because the denominator here 2, here also denominator will be 2. 2 I will be cancelling. So directly I am writing it here plus c. So this is the final answer, friends. So this is the final answer of this question. Okay, clear? This is the final answer of this question. Okay, this is the way you have to solve this question. Clear? So one of the integral, that is of the form integral of f dash of x by f of x dx, that we will get it as what? Log mod of fx plus c. Another one is of the form integral of 1 by x square plus a square dx, that is of the form what? So that will be equal to what? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So this is the final answer, friends. So this is the final answer to this question. Clear? Okay, this is the way you got to solve this question. This is the way you got to solve this question. In the end, we have to write it as what? Therefore this integral, whatever the question is given, will be equal to this. In the final step you got to write it. Clear? Like this, if you write step by step along with every reason, that is a particular reason that is there, that is integral of f dash of x by f of x is equal to dx is equal to log of f of x plus c, and another one is integral of x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Like this, if you write reason and also all the steps, you will get 100%, you will get 7 marks. Clear? This is a simple question, although it is lengthy, but the concept you have to understand. Okay, then it is simple. Okay, all right, let us move to the next question, friends. Let us move to the next type of algebraic types. Okay. Okay, all right. So see here, already we are done with the second question. Now we have to do the third question. Look at this. Look at this question, friends. Observe this. Look at this question. Observe this. So what they have given us? They have given that. Okay, we have to integrate. What we have to integrate? See here. Integrate 6x plus 5 into square root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. This is what we have to do. Okay. So let us take up the question. These are which form? Integral of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c. These of the form which we already discussed. Here also what you have to do? Px plus q is equal to a times d by dx of what? This thing. Ax square plus bx plus c. Here denominator is not there. Plus b. Same thing you have to do. Okay. Let us take up the question, friends. So here, let us split it again. What is the question? So question that is given is integral of, okay, integral of 6x plus 5, okay, 6x plus 5 into square root of, what is this? Square root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. So this is the question. So this is the question, friends. Okay, this is the question. So solution. What will be the solution? 6x plus 5. So given integral is, okay, given integral is what? What is that? Integral of 6x plus 5 within the brackets into 6 minus, what is it? 6 minus, correct? No, 6 minus 2x square plus x dx, correct? So this is the thing that they have asked. Just a minute. Where is the question? Okay, 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Okay, let us do the partition for this again. Okay, let us continue without the partition. So 6x plus 5 root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Okay, this is what we have. Now okay, it's not coming. Let us do without that. So see here, what do we have here? We have yellow. Let us take this here. So we have 6x plus 5. Now what we will do? We will take this 6x plus 5. What is this? Px plus q. Let us take, let 6x plus 5 is equal to a times d by dx of what is this we have? This is ax square plus bx plus c. This is ax plus. So we have to take minus 2x square plus x plus 6 plus what is this b, correct? No, this is the thing we have to take. This is the thing we have to take it. Now see here. Now what we will take? Let us take this as equation. Let this be equation 1. Let this be equation 2. Okay, let this be equation 2. Now 6x plus 5 will be equal to what? A into d by dx of this is minus 4x plus 1. Okay, derivative of 6 is 0. That is constant is 0 plus b. Okay. Now let us multiply this. 6x plus 5 will be equal to minus 4ax plus a, okay, plus b. Now we have to compare the coefficients. On comparing coefficients, what do we have? On comparing coefficients, coefficient of x is what? Minus 4a. Coefficient of x is what? 6. So minus 4a will be equal to 6. That implies what? A will be equal to minus 6 by 4. So this will be 2 3s are, this will be 2 2s are. Okay. So we will have what? A will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, A will be equal to minus 3 by 2. This is what we have. A will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Correct. So A will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Next, what we will have? Now look at the constants. The constants, if we talk about, so here if we talk about the constants, so we are having what? A plus b is equal to what? What is the constant value here? It is 5. A value what we got here? Minus 3 by 2. Let us put the value. Minus 3 by 2 plus b is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2 plus b is equal to what? So let us write it again. Minus 3 by 2 plus b is equal to what? Is equal to 5. So b will be equal to what? 5 plus 3 by 2 that implies what is this? LCM is 2. So 10 plus 3 by 2. So that is 13 by 2. So B will be equal to what, friends? 13 by 2. Okay, 13 by 2. No, B we got it as what? 13 by 2. Now what we have to do? We have to put the value of what is that? A and B. Okay, put values of what is it? Values of A and B in equation 2 or equation 1, whatever. Okay, equation 2. So we will get what? Okay, we will get what? Integral of, we will get it as, we will put it in equation 1. Okay, we will get it as integral of 6x plus 5, okay, into square root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx will be equal to what is it? Integral of what is this? A is what? A value is what? A value is minus 3 by 2. Let me take minus 3 by 2 outside. Minus 3 by 2 times integral of what is this? We are having d by dx of what is it we are having? Minus 4x plus 1, okay, divided by what is this denominator? We have to divide this, correct now? Okay, will we divide this? No, we won't be dividing this. Okay, we are having this. Okay, let us do one thing here. Here we are not going to divide, we are going to multiply with this 6x plus 5. Okay, we will write what? So we will be writing here A value is what, friends? Minus 3 by 2, okay, into integral of what is this? We are having into integral of A into this one, correct? No, A into d by dx of minus 2x square plus x plus 6. So minus 3 by 2 into what we are having? Into d by dx of what we are having, friends? What we are having? This is 6x plus 5. 6x plus 5 we have to multiply with this one. 6x plus 5 value we got this one. So we have to multiply what? Minus 4x plus 1. Okay, minus 4x plus 1. So this is what we got, minus 4x plus 1 into this is 6x plus 5. We have to multiply with this entire thing into what is this? Square root of what is this? 6 minus 2x square plus x plus b is what, friend? B is 13 by 2 plus 13 by 2 into integral of this is dx. Okay, we have to multiply this. See, 6x plus 5 is this one. 6x plus 5 is this entire thing. This entire thing we have to multiply by square root of 6 minus 2x square plus x, because we substituted the value for this. So see here, for this value, so this for this value we have to put this one. Okay, we will get this one. Okay, now we have to multiply this entire thing with this one. So we will get what? This entire thing into 6 minus 2x square plus x separated, and I would have multiplied. So this one will be what? 13 by 2. 13 by 2 means what? 13 by 2 into what is that we have? Integral of it is square root of what we are having here, b means 13 by 2 into integral of 6 minus 2x square, same thing we have to write, 2x square plus x dx. This is what we have. Okay, now look at this. This is of the form what? This is of the form integral of f dash of x into f of x. Integral of f dash of x into f of x. Integral of f dash of x into f of x is what? Integral of f dash of x into f of x is what? It is nothing but equal to f of x. Integral of f dash of x into f of x is nothing but equal to what? So f of x to the power of n is nothing but equal to what? So that is nothing but equal to f of x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So here I can write this as what? So let me write one more steps. So this will be equal to what? Minus 3 by 2 into integral of, okay, d by dx of minus 4x plus 1, okay, minus 4x plus 1 into what is this? I can write it as 6 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 1 by 2, okay, 1 by 2 dx, okay, 1 by 2 dx I can write it. Now this plus this will be 13 by 2 into integral of this I can write it as what? This I can write it as square root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Okay, this is the thing we will get it. Okay, this is the thing we will be getting. Now see here, these are which form? Integral of f dash of x into f of x to the power of n. So that is nothing but equal to f of x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So let us go to the next page. So we will have what, friends? So we will have, so see here, let us do the partition here. So we will have what? So this will be equal to, see here, this would be equal to minus 3 by 2, okay, minus 3 by 2, let us write it here. This would be equal to minus 3 by 2, okay. After differentiating, what we will have? We will have it as 6 minus 2x square, okay, plus x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1, okay, because let me write the reason later. So this will be equal to plus 13 by 2 into integral of what we are having? Square root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. This is what we are having. Now, why? The reason is what? Therefore, definitely you have to write the reason, then only you will get marks. So this is nothing but equal to what? This is therefore integral of f dash of x into f of x okay, to the power of n dx will be equal to what? This is nothing but equal to f of x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, okay, plus c. This is the thing, okay. So this is the thing. In the first class when I did the integration, I mean for LAQs, I have given this formula also. Clear, friends? So here it is to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, actually square root of x means it is nothing but, okay, 2 by 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2, directly we can write it, but I have written the formula also. That is the reason also here. So this is the reason, you definitely have to write it. Okay, very important to write this reason. Okay, very important to write this reason, friends. Okay, very important to write this reason. Now this will become what? This will become minus 3 by 2 into, okay, 6 minus 2x square plus x. 1 by 2 plus 1 means that is nothing but equal to 3 by 2. So this will be divided by 3 by 2 means I can write it as 3 by 2 means I can write it as this will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 I can cancel this plus what do I have? 13 by 2 into integral of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. This is what I have. Now what I have? See here, this will be minus what I have? 6 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2 into integral of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Okay, plus x dx, correct? Plus x dx. This is what I have. Now observe this, I am left with this, I have to integrate this. So what I should do? So first let us take this. Okay, we take, what do we take? We take this one. Okay, let this be equation, what is that? Equation 3. Okay, so we take 6 minus 2x square plus x. What we will do here? We will do the completing the square method. So minus x square, coefficient of x square should be positive 1, but here it is minus 2. So we will take minus 2 outside. So this will become what, friends? X square. Okay, if I take minus 2 outside, this will become what? This will become minus x by 2. Okay, if I took minus 2 outside, this will become what? Minus x by 2. This will become what? Minus 3. Correct? This will become minus 3. Now minus 2 into x square, okay, minus x by 2. Correct na? Minus 2 into x square minus x by 2. X by 2, that is coefficient of x is what? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 if I multiply by half, or 1 by 2 if I multiply by half, what is that? What is the thing that I'll have? That is 1 by 4. Correct na? Half into half is 1 by 4. That 1 by 4 I should square and add it and also subtract it with this one. So this will become what? Minus 2 into x square minus x by 2, okay, x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square plus this will be minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 3. This is what I'll have. Minus 3. This is what I'll have. Now here x square minus x by 2. Correct now? So this will become x minus 1 by 4 whole square. X minus 1 by 4 whole square. This will become what? X minus 1 by 4 whole square. Correct now? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, 2 into 1 by 4 into x. That is 2 and 4 will get cancelled. So this will become what? X by 2. Correct? So this will become what? Minus 2. Let me take this. So this will become what, friends? See here. This will become minus 2 into what is it? X minus 1 by 4 whole square minus this is what? Minus 1 by 4 square minus 13 minus 3. So this will become what? Minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16 minus 3. Correct now? Let me take minus outside. 1 by 16 plus 3. Okay, 1 by 16 plus 3 minus 1 by 16 plus 3. So 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 49 minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square. So this will become what? This will become 1 plus what is this? 48 by 16. Okay, 48 by 16. Let me write it as 49 by 16 directly here. So I can write it as what? I can write it as 49 by 16 here. Okay, 49 by 16 here. So this is what I'll have. Now 49 by 16 I can write it as what, friends? 7 by 4 whole square. Correct? No. So this will become what? 2 minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 7 by 4 whole square. This is what I would have. Now this is what I'll have. Now see here. These of the form what? These of the form. If I put it here, if I put the value here. So see here. If I put it here, what I'll have? So this is of the form. So if I put the value here, let this be equation 4. Put 4 in 3. Put 4 in 3. So what I'll have? Within the square root, this value would come. Correct? No? This value would come. Within the square root, this value would come. Within the square root, this value would come. Correct? So within the square root, this is the value that we will be having. Correct now? So within the square root, this is the value that we would be having. This is the value that we will be having. So if I put it, this will be equal to minus 6. This is minus 6 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 3 by 2. You have to be patient, very patient while solving this question. Okay, you have to have a lot of patience while solving this question. Each and every step very important, then only you will get the right answer. It's simple, but you have to use lot of patience, and also you have to be very careful while doing the calculation. Okay, completing square method, you have to be very careful. That's all. Other than that, there is not much difficulty in solving this question. So see here, you have to have a lot of patience while solving this. Plus 13 by 2. Okay, what within the square root, what I should write? Minus 2. Okay, into x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 2 within outside bracket. This is minus 7 by 4 whole square complete bracket. Okay, this is what I have within integral sign. This is dx. What I can do, friends? Minus 2 is what? Some number, correct na? So minus 2, I can take it outside. I can take it outside. This I can take it as what? If I take it outside, this will become what? Root 2. Okay, this will become what? Root 2. So this will become what? Root 2 minus 6 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 3 by 2. If I take, what I take? If I take minus outside, not minus, if I take just 2 outside, this will become 13 by 2 into root 2. Okay, minus into minus. See, minus this will become minus x minus 1 by 4, minus into minus, this will become plus. So this will become what? 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square. This is what I will have. Okay, this is within the square root dx. Okay, within the square root dx, correct? Within the square root dx. Within the square root dx. So now see here, these of which form? These of integral of square root of a square minus x square. Okay, integral of square root of a square minus x square form. Okay, integral of square root of a square minus x square form. So this is of, so if I talk about this one, these of the form, you have to write it. This is of the form, these of the form. Okay, you have to write this one. Okay, integral of a square, square root of a square minus x square. Let me write again. These of the form, see here, integral of a square minus x square, square root of a square minus x square dx. So this is nothing but equal to what? X by 2 into square root of a square minus x square. Okay, x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2. This is what? Plus, this is plus, this is what? A square by 2 into sine, what is it? Sine inverse of or sine h inverse of? Think about it. Is it sine inverse of or is it sine h inverse of? This is nothing but what? This is sine inverse only. Sine inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, sine inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, this is the reason you have to write. Definitely you have to write it. Okay, now let us continue with this. This is what we have. Now this is what we have, correct? No? Now this is what we have. Now let us put the values here. Now this is what we have. Now this is what we have. Now let us go to the next page. So that is, this will become what? This will become equal to, so this is what? Minus 6 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 3 by 2. So this should be equal to, what? Minus 6 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, what is this that we have? We have 13 by 2. So this will be 13 by 2 into x by a. X by a is what? See here, x by a. Here x is what, friends? X minus 1 by 4. I can write this as what? 4x minus 1 by 4. Correct now? 4x minus 1 by 4. I can write it as 4x minus 1 by 4. Correct? So 4x minus 1 by 4. So this will become what? 4x minus 1 by 4. Okay, 4x minus 1 by 4. So this will become what? 4x minus 1 by 4. What I can do? Can I send 2 inside, or let us keep it as it is? 4x minus 1 by 4. So this should be equal to x minus 1 by 4. So this will become what? X minus 1 by 4, 4x minus 1 by 4. This should become, so x minus 1 by 4 divided by 2. This is what? X minus 1 by 4 divided by 2 means what? X by 2. Correct? No. So this is what? So let me write, this will be equal to, let me write one more step. So 4x minus 1 by 4 divided by 4 divided by 2. So let me write it here only. So this will become what? 4x minus 1 by 4. 4 by 2 means this is 2 will come up. This will be equal to 8. Okay. This will be equal to 8. Okay. This will be equal to 8. This should be equal to 8. Let 13 by 2 be outside. 13 by 2 be outside. X by 2. Okay. Okay. Into a square minus x square. A square minus x square is what? A square is what we have. A square is, what is it? The a square, that value that we have, that is nothing but what? 49 by 16. Correct now? 49 by 16. Correct. So 49 by 16, that is 49 by 16 a square by x square. 49 by 16 a square minus x square. X square is what? 4x minus 1 by 4. 4x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Let us write this like this. 4x minus 1 by 4. This is what we have, 4x minus 1 by 4, okay, plus what is this x, this is a square by 2. A square is what? A is what? A square is what? A square is 49 by 16, okay, 49 by 16, 49 by 16 by 2, 49 by 16 by 2, okay, 49 by 16 by 2 into sin inverse of what is it? X by a. X by a is what? X is what? 4x minus 4, 4x minus 1 by 4 divided by what? X by a. A is what? By 49 by 16 plus c. But here we are having one more thing you don't have to forget. So you have to not forget that we are having given root 2 here. Root 2 we have taken outside, correct? No, we have taken root 2 outside. So this will be what? See, you have to focus here. You have to, don't have to forget that. Don't forget that. So this will be minus 6 into minus of 6 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 3 by 2, okay, plus what is it? 13 by 2 into what do we have? We have into root 2 also. So we have to send root 2 inside now, okay, we have to send what? Root 2 inside, okay, we have to send root 2 inside. So what will this become? Finally this will become what? Finally this would become what? This would become equal to what? So see here, we have to send root 2 inside, correct? No, definitely we have to send root 2 inside. So see, this will become what? This will become equal to, so if I send root 2 inside, this will eventually become minus of 6 minus 2x square plus x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2 into, if I send this one inside, so this will become what? This will eventually become, what will this be? Eventually become 4x minus 1 by 8. If I send root 2 inside, whatever we had in the question, same thing we will get, 6 minus 2x square plus x, okay, 6 minus 2x square plus x. So this root 2 if I send here inside, so this will become what? 49 by 32, okay, 49 by 32 into what I will have? Into root 2, 49 by 32 into root 2, okay, 49 by 32 into what do we have? What will have into root 2, 49 by 32 into root 2, this is what I will have, 49 by 32 into root 2 into sin inverse of 4x minus 4. So this will be what? 4x minus 4 means this will be 4x minus 1 by what is this? This I will have what? 4x minus 1 into 4 will be here divided by 49, okay, because 4 and 4 will cancel, here I will have 16 is there, 4 for the 16 plus c. This is what I would be having, this is what I would be having, friends. So this is what I would be having, so this is what I would be having, sin inverse of 4x minus 1, this is what? Sin inverse of x by a. X by a means what? X by a means actually this a is not 49 by 16, a is what? A is actually observe carefully, a is actually this is what? 49 by 16 is what? 49 by 16. So this is what? This is actually 7 by 4 whole square, correct? No, 7 by 4 whole square, 7 by 4 whole square, correct? This is 7 by 4 whole square, 7 by 4 whole square. A is what? 7 by 4. So this will be what? 7 by 4 only, okay, 7 by 4 only. What will happen? 4 will get cancelled. I will have what? This will be sin inverse of 4x minus 1 by 7, okay, plus c. This is what I will have, okay, this is what I will have. This entire thing 13 by 2 will be outside, okay. This is the final answer to this question, friends. Of course I know this is very lengthy, but it is a very important question, okay, but you can expect questions from trigonometry and also reduction formula. If you are strong with that, okay, you can approach them, okay, instead of solving these questions, okay, but you have to know the method, to be on the safer side. Clear, friends? This is how you got to solve this question. Sir, when we will start EAP set classes? Okay, so when we will be starting it very shortly, okay, in the February month we will be starting EAP set classes also. So please stay tuned for maths EAP set classes also. We will be starting very shortly, okay, based on the demand of the students, based on that we will be starting, okay. So please stay tuned for IPE classes also. Do watch the IPE classes, you have to do well in IPE exam also. So shortly we will be starting EAP set, very important classes. Based on PYQ analysis, we will be starting the very important topics of EAP set. Is it clear? Is it clear, Usha? Fine. Next one. Let us go to the next question, friends. What about the next question that we have? So this is the question that we have. See here, the 7th question. Okay, this is the question that we have. So see here, observe this carefully. This is the question that we have. So they are asking, evaluate. This is the question. Evaluate integral of square root of 5 minus x by x minus 2. Integral of square root of 5 minus x by x by 2. X minus 2. X minus 2. This is the thing that they are asking. So let us take up this. So the question that is given is what? So let us take up this. See here. Observe carefully. They are telling question that is given is integral of square root of what is that? Integral of square root of 5 minus x by x minus 2. You long term student? Yeah, that's good. Then you have to focus. We will be starting from February. That will be helping you. We are also having crash course also. We will be having crash course also in our institute. That will be starting from immediately after in the mid of March. Okay, in the mid of March we will be having crash course. Okay, crash course. For details you can contact on my number. You can save my number. You can call me. Okay, and we will be helping you with the AP set exam also. You can save this number and you can call me. You can just text me also on this number. Okay, just text me, WhatsApp me your details. We will call you. Our team will call you and contact you, and we will inform you about the AP set classes and also about how to approach the subject. When it comes to mathematics, even physics and chemistry will be helping you. Clear, Usha? No need to worry about that. We will be helping you till your examination. So this is what the question that is given is integral of 5 minus x by x minus 2. Integral of 5 minus x by x minus 2 dx. Okay, this is the question that is given. So let us take this solution. So this we will take it as what? So square root, within the square root is there 5 minus x by x minus 2. Let us multiply the numerator, okay, with numerator and also the denominator. 5 minus x, let us multiply. So we will get what, friends? Dx. So we will get this as what? Integral of 5 minus x. This will be what? 5 minus x whole square divided by x minus 2 into what is this? 5 minus x, okay, dx. Okay, within this is within the square root, everything within the square root. Now if I remove this one, x square, 5 minus x square is there. So this I can take it outside the square root. So this will become what? This will become 5 minus x divided by square root of x minus 2 into 5 minus x dx. This is what I will have, integral of this. Okay, this is what I would be having. Okay, this is what I would be having. Now what I can do, this if I multiply, what I will get, this if I multiply, I will get it as 5 minus x divided by integral of 7 minus, what is this? Integral of 7 minus, if I multiply 7 minus x square minus 10. This is what I will have, 7 minus x square minus 10x. This is what I would be having. Okay, we can multiply and see. Okay, 7 minus x square, this will be what? Not 7 minus x square, this should be actually 7x minus x square minus 10. 7x minus x square minus 10. This is what I would be having, dx. Correct? So let us write this as equation 1. Let us write this as equation 1, friends. Now these of the form, which form? These of the form integral of px plus q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So what I can write? So now let 5 minus x be equal to what? A times d by dx of what is the denominator, that is this one. What is that? 7x minus x square minus 10 plus b. Okay, continuing with this 5 minus x will be equal to what? A times this derivative of this is what? 7 minus 2x. Okay, 7 minus 2x plus b. Okay, let us multiply this 5 minus x, let us multiply the constants here. This will be 7a minus 2ax plus b. Okay, now on comparing coefficients, same as the previous questions. Now on comparing coefficients. On comparing coefficients. On comparing coefficients, what do we have? So see here on comparing coefficients, coefficient of x is what? Minus 2a. Here it is what? Minus 1. So minus 2a will be equal to minus 1. So a will be equal to what? 1 by 2. So a will be equal to what, friends? 1 by 2. Correct? So a will be equal to what? Okay, got it, Usha. So a will be equal to what? 1 by 2. Correct? So a would be equal to 1 by 2. Now what about the constant? Constant is what? Constant is 7a plus b. See here, it is 7a plus b will be equal to 5. Okay, 7a plus b will be equal to 5. So a is what? 1 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus b is equal to 5. This implies what? 5, b will be equal to 5 minus 7 by 2. So 5 minus 7 by 2. So b will be equal to what? So 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So this will be equal to what? 3 by 2. So b will be equal to 3 by 2. So we got what? A value as 1 by 2 and b value as what? B value we got it as 3 by 2. So therefore what we will have? Therefore 5 minus x would be equal to, what is this? A is what? A is 1 by 2 into, this is what? D by dx of 7x minus x square minus 10 plus b is what? B is what? 3 by 2. Let this be equation 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 1. Let this be 2. Let this be 3. Okay. Put 3 in. What is it? Put 3 value. Put 3 in equation 1. So what we will have? So integral of, what is this? Integral of, okay, 5 minus x, but by x minus 2 dx will be equal to, what is that we have in the RHS? We have integral of, what is this? 1 by 2 into integral of d by dx of 7x minus x square minus 10 divided by, what is the denominator here? Square root of 7x minus x square minus 10, correct? No. So I should divide by what? Square root of 7x minus x square minus 10, okay, into dx plus, what is this that we have? B value 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 3 by 2 into 1 by 7x minus x square minus 10 dx. This is what we have. Now look at this, friends. This f dash of x by square root of f of x. F dash of x by square root of f of x is nothing but equal to what? 2 times square root of f of x plus c. Correct. So this I can write it as what, friends? 1 by 2 into 2 times square root of f of x. F of x is what? 7x minus x square minus 10. This is what I'll have. Okay. Plus 3 by 2 into, what is this I have? 2 I can cancel here. So this will be square root of 7x minus x square minus 10. This is what I'll have, dx, integral of this. So what is the reason for this? I have to write the reason here. So this will be, therefore integral of f dash of x by square root of f of x dx will be equal to 2 times square root of f of x plus c. This is the reason you got to write it. Okay, this is the reason you got to write it. Okay, clear? This is the reason you got to write it. Very important, you have to write the reason here. This is the reason you have to write it, friends. You have to show them. This is the reason why you have written this. This is the reason you have to show it. Now let us take this one. So now let us take this one. Now see, let us do the partition again. Now let us take this one. Observe carefully. Okay, have patience. Observe carefully. Now we are having. We will take, what is that? 7x. What is that? 7x x square minus, what is that we are having? 7x minus x square. Okay, 7x minus, what is that? 7x minus x square minus 10. This is what we are having. Here we have to use the completing square method, but the coefficient is minus 1. We want it to be plus 1. So let us take minus outside. So this will become what? If I take minus outside, this will become x square minus 7x, okay, plus 10. Now coefficient of 7 is what? Coefficient of x is 7. So I have to divide by what? 7 by, I have to multiply by half. So this will become what? 7 by 2. I have to add 7 by 2 whole square and I have to subtract 7 by 2 whole square from this. So this will become what? Minus x square minus 7x, okay, plus 7 by 2 whole square minus 7 by 2 whole square plus 10. This is what I would be having. So x square minus 7 by 2 whole square. Correct? No, 7 by 2 whole square. Here what I should do? Observe here carefully. X square, this I will be having x square minus 7x, correct na? X square minus 7x. So 7 by 2. So this will be equal to what? 2 into 7 by 2x plus 7 by 2 whole square. This is nothing but what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is what? X minus a whole square. So that is a minus b whole square. This will become what? Minus of x minus 7 by 2 whole square. So this will be what? 7 square is 49, 2 square is 4 plus 10. Correct? So this will be what? See, minus of x minus 7 by 2 whole square minus, let me take minus, let this be plus, minus 49 plus 4 tens are 40 divided by 4. This is what I will have. Okay, this will become what? Minus x minus 7 by 2 whole square, okay, minus, this will be minus 9 by 4. Minus 9 by 4 means I can write it as what? 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. This is what I will have. Minus I will send it inside. What I will have? This will become 3 by 2 whole square minus x minus 7 by 2 whole square. This is what I will have. Okay, this is what I will have. So this is what? This is nothing but equation. Okay, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but equation 4, I think. Okay, equation 4. Okay, put, what is this? Let us take, put 4 in 3. Put 4 in 3 we get what? We get that will be equal to, what is that we will get? We will get equal to, so what is the previous page we had? We will get, what is that we will be getting? That is minus x square, this will be getting it as minus x square plus 7x minus 10, minus x square minus 7x minus 10 plus 3 by 2 into integral of 1 by, what is this? What is that we have here? 3 by 2 whole square minus, what is it? X minus 7 by 2 whole square within square root dx. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, these are which form, friends? These are which form? Observe carefully, these are which form? Again, these are which form? So, these of square root of, what is it? Square root of 1 by a square minus x square. Square root of 1 by a square minus x square, it is nothing but equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. So, these of the form, we have to write it. Okay, these of the form. So, this is what? This is of the form. Okay, these of the form. These of the form. What is that form? We have to write it. These of the form. See here, integral of 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx, that is nothing but equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. These of this form. Okay, you have to write the reason. Okay, these of this form, integral of this. So this will become what? So this will become, therefore this will be equal to, okay, minus x square plus 7x minus 10 plus 3 by 2. Okay, what is this? This will become sin inverse of x by a. X is what here? X is x minus 7 by 2. X minus 7 by 2. Okay, divided by what? Divided by what? X by a. A is what? 3 by 2 plus c. Once you integrate, you have to put the constant of integration, that is c. Now let us simplify this. So this will become what? Minus x square plus 7x minus 10. Okay, plus 10 plus 3 by 2 into, if I take 2 LCM, this will become sin inverse of, okay, 2x minus 7 divided by 3. Okay, 2 and 2 will cancel, denominator, plus c. This is the answer to this question, friends. This is the correct answer to this question. 3 by 2 sin inverse of 2x minus, this is the answer to this question, friends. This is the final answer to this question. Clear? This is the way we got to solve this question. This is the way we got to solve this question, friends. Clear, everyone? I hope it is clear to all of you. All right. Kusha, I hope you understood what I told you. Okay, let us move to the next question, friends. Let us move to the next type of question. Let us move to the next type of question that is there. All right. Integral of 1 plus x. So let us move to the 8th question, friends. Let us move to the 8th question. So see here, this is the right answer to this question. We have done this. So see here, let us move to the 8th question. So see here, this is the question that is given. Observe this, everyone. So they are asking integral of 1 by x into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. Okay, square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. So how to solve this question? So let us approach this question. This is a new type of question, that is one of the unique type of question which you should know how to solve. Okay, that's why I am doing this. So see here, if we talk about this question, addition first. So observe carefully, you have to be very patient when solving this question. Okay, so see here, the question that is given is what? Integral of 1 by, what is it? X plus 2, that is, or 1 plus x into square root of, what is it? 3 plus 2x minus x square, 2x minus x square dx. 3 plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. This is the question, friends. This is the question. All right, let me have a sip of water. Minus x square dx. So here in this question, okay, so solution, okay, what we will do, we will take some value for t. So we will take what here? Put. We will take 1 plus x. We will put, for this value we have to put, okay, for this one only we'll do the substitution for this. Put 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t. Put 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t. So what we'll have, dx will be equal to what, friends? Dx will be equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Okay, because integral derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square, correct now? Minus 1 by t square. Now here 1 by t is 1 plus x is 1 by t. So what will be the value of x? X will be 1 by t minus 1, that is nothing but equal to 1 minus t by t. So x will be equal to what? 1 minus t by t. This also you should remember. Now let this be equation 1. Now what will happen to this? Now equation 1 becomes, what it will become? Now what it will become? Integral of 1 by 1 plus x into what is it? Square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square, correct na? Dx. So this will become what? 1 by 1 plus x. 1 plus x is what, friends? 1 by t. Okay, 1 by t. 1 by t means this integral 1 by 1 by x, 1 plus x is what? 1 by t. So this will be what? 1 by t into what is this? Square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. Square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. 3 plus 2x is what? X is what? 2 into 1 minus t by t. Okay, minus x square. X square is what? X square is 1 minus t by t whole square. This is whole square, this is whole square, this entire thing is whole square. Okay, what about dx? Dx is what? Minus 1 by t square dt. This is what? Minus 1 by t square dt. This is what we have. Minus 1 by t square dt. This is what we have, friends. Okay, minus 1 by t square dt. This is what we have. Now what will happen? So this t with this t, what I can do? So see here, observe carefully. What I can do, friends? So this is what I have. Now what I can do? This t will go up, okay, and will cancel with this t. So I will be left with minus 1 by t, that's all. So here I will have what? Integral of minus 1 by t into square root of 3 plus, this is square root of 3 plus, okay, 2 into, this is if I take LCM, this will be 3 t square, correct no? If I take LCM here, let me do everything at once. So this will be equal to what? Minus 1 by t dt integral of, this is what? Square root of, this is t square. This, if I take the LCM, this will be t square. So this will be t square if I take the LCM. Okay, this will be 3t square. Okay, this will be 2t. This will be 2 t will be there. So this will be what? Plus 2t minus 2t square. This is what? Minus 1 minus t square. That is a minus b whole square. Correct na? So minus is there. Minus 1. Okay. What is this? Minus t square plus 2t. Plus 2t. This is what I will be having within the square root. This entire thing within the square root. This is what I will be having. So let me write it here. This will be equal to what? So see here. This should be equal to what? So see here. So t square if I take it outside, this t and this t will get cancelled. Correct na? T square if I take it outside, this t and this t will get cancelled. So I will have what? So t square if I take it outside, t square if I take it outside, this will be t. Correct na? T square if I take it outside, this will be t. So t square if I take it outside, this will be t. So what would happen to this t? So let us simplify this first. So let me write this as integral of minus 1 by t, okay, square root of, this will be dt into square root of, what is this? Let me simplify this first. 3t square minus t square is, this is what? 3t square minus 2 square minus 2 square. So this is 3t square minus 3t square. See, 3t square minus 2 square is minus t. This is t square. T square minus t square plus t square minus t square is 0. So t square one will be there. 2t plus 2t. 2t plus 2t is 4t minus 1. So this will be what? 4t minus 1 by t square dt. Okay, by t square dt. Now what will happen to this? So observe carefully. So what will happen to this? Observe carefully. What will happen to this? So this t square will be there. This t square, what will happen? This t square will come outside. If this t square will come outside, I will be left with only integral of minus 1 by t dt, because t and t will get cancelled. This t square if it goes up, it will have only t. So we will have what? 4t minus integral of 4t minus 1 dt. Okay, we will have integral of 4t minus 1 dt. This is what we will be having. Correct na? 4t minus 1 dt. Now actually this t also won't be there. So if I write it here only, this t also won't be there. Okay. Here what I can write here, observe here carefully. Here I can write this as 4t by t. This t and this t will get cancelled. Actually here I won't be having t. Here I won't be having t. I will be left with minus dt by 4t minus 1 dt. So this I can write it as what, friends? This I can write it as minus of, okay, 1 by 4t minus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 dt. What I can do this I can take it up, minus of 4t minus 1 to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt. So this is nothing but what? This is directly you can integrate, that is, this is of the form x to the power of n. X to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this I can write it as what? Minus 4t minus 1, okay, 4t minus 1, okay, 4t minus 1 minus of plus 1 divided by minus of plus 1 plus c. This is what, therefore we have to write the reason, because this is 7 marks question, write the reason everywhere. X to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, okay, by plus c. So this is nothing but equal to what? If I simplify this, minus will be outside, this will be 4t minus 1, minus of plus 1 is plus half, here also this will be plus half, okay, I can write this as 2 plus c, 2 times, this is the thing I will have, okay, minus 2 4t minus 1 plus c, minus 2 4t minus 1 plus c, okay, this is what I will be having, okay, minus 2 4t minus 1, this is what, this is the thing I will be having, okay, I would be having. But apart from this, you have to understand, here 4t is there, no. So what I will have, this coefficient of this will come down, in the differentiation it will come as a product, but here it will come as a denominator. So here I will be having, also I will be having 4, okay, here I will be having 4, okay, here I will be having 4. So this will become what? This will become 2 1s or 2 2s are. So this I will be having as what? Minus 1 by 2 into 4t minus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. This is the final answer, but still what we have to do, still one more step is there, that is, we have to substitute the value for t. What is the value of t, friends? What is the value of t that we found out? So observe here carefully, what is the value of t? So t value, what did we take? That is, t value is what? So 1 plus x is nothing but equal to 1 by t. This implies what? T value is nothing but equal to what? So this implies, here I can write, so see here, so this implies what I can write? So this implies, this also implies here, so 1 plus x, so see here, observe carefully, I have taken what? See here, 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t. This implies t is equal to what? T is equal to 1 by 1 plus x, correct, no? So here wherever t is there, I can take 1 by 1 plus x. So this is minus 1 by 2 into 4 by 1 plus x minus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. 4 by 1 plus x to the power of, what is this? 4 by 1 plus x, this is what I would be having, okay. So this is what I would be having, okay, 4 by 1 plus x plus minus 1, this is what I would be having. Now what I can do, friends? So here further I can simplify, correct, no? Here further I can simplify. What I can do here further, if I want to simplify, so see here, further if I want to simplify, I can write it here. So further I can simplify this here. So this will become what? If I take LCM, minus 1 by 2, this will be 4 minus of minus 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, okay, to the power of 1 by 2 plus c, okay. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So 3 minus x, okay, minus 1 by 2 into 3 minus x by 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. To the power of 1 by 2 is what? That is nothing but, instead of taking to the power of 1 by 2, I can take it as what? I can take it as square root. So this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into square root of 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus c. So this is the final answer, friends. You have to write up till here. You have to definitely have to write up till here. This is the final answer to this question, friends. Clear? This is the final answer to this question. I hope it is clear. So there is one more question of this type. Okay, there is one more question of this type. Okay, there is one more question of this type. See here. So see here, there is one more question of this type. Let me show you. Let me check. There is one more question of this type. Okay, I think the 9th question itself. Okay, I think the 9th question itself. Okay. So see here, the 9th question. 9th question would be somewhere here. So see here, the 9th question. The 9th question is of the same type. Okay, 9th question is of the same type. See here, what you have to do is of the same type, same procedure you follow. Please do it by yourself. Okay, please do it by yourself. The 9th question, please do it by yourself, practice by yourself. Okay, this question has also been asked, same thing. Put x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t, then t will be equal to what, x will be equal to what, then eventually you will get the answer. Okay, So this is the thing you have to do. Okay, same as the previous question. Okay, so we are done with all the algebraic type questions. Okay, so one more question is there, that is algebraic type, that is integration by what is that, partial fraction. Along with that, we will be doing the reduction formula. In the next class, tomorrow's class, we will be doing questions based on reduction formula, and then we will be doing one question based on partial fraction by method of integration by the method of partial fractions. Alright friends, thank you. I will wind up now. Shortly we will be coming up with AP set classes. Now please focus on IPE classes for Maths 2A, 2B, okay, 1A and also 1B. Thank you friends, take care.